Welcome back to Fast Fix channel. Today I will show you how to use ChatGPT on your Android phone. So first you need to open your Google Chrome or any internet browser you often use, and then go to search bar and search for openai.com. And then as you can see on the first link, OpenAI, then tap on that. Here on the homepage of the OpenAI, here you can scroll it down, then try to find the try chat GPT right over here. And then right over here, as you can see on your screen, you have two options to start up. You can go log in with your current account, or you need to sign up. So for this video, we'll tap on sign up. And then right here, you can create your account. You can make your account using your email address, or for this, you can go to continue with email. And then as you can see, we will choose an account right over here, and then we will wait for a few seconds. And then right here, you can tell all about yourself. You can put your full name right here and your birth date. And then right here, you can verify your phone number. So put your phone number right over here. And then using that phone number, you can actually receive an code for that number, and right here you can now enter the code right in the box. And finally, once you've done all that, and you are now on the ChatGPT homepage, examples, capabilities, and limitations right over here on the homepage. And then for example, if you swipe from left to right, you can actually see the settings right here, the history that you've searched on this account, and you can also update to plus, and you can go over here to the settings, get help, and lag out. And at the bottom you can see the send a message. You can put the message right over here. If you want to ask the chat GPT, you can put it right here. It can actually create or generate a text right over here. So for example, we'll write a message right here, and you will let ChatGPT to answer it. So for example, we will write here, can you write 100 words about ChatGPT? And then tap on send, and as you can see on your screen, it will automatically generate text for the answers on that questions right over here. As you can see, it is explaining about this chat GPT processing method. And if you are okay with that, you can see the thumbs up button right here at the bottom. You can tap on that. If you tap on the thumbs up, you can see here you can put a or provide a additional feedback on this chat GPT application. And then you can also regenerate the text right here and see the other answers on your questions. So that's it. It's very useful. This ChatGPT can use to your job, your work, and also if you have a social media. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.